Basically, the funda is child marriage was never an issue. The main idea was the lack of awareness, lack of education, lack of medical.
That's why we are supporting. We are addressing that because of the child marriage. Because of the child marriage, they are not able to get education. That's why they are deprived.
Education is neither related to child marriage. Should be the regulation should be passed that
Education neither related to child marriage. Because of after the getting married, there are lots of the responsibility of the family. That's why they are not able to.
Banning the child marriage does not guarantee that education will be provided to all. Proper regulations.
Yes, at the present time we can show the data. At the present time, the ratio of the education awareness is increasing.
Proper educational reforms and
in the
regulations
comparison to
should be
1960, in the comparison to 1960, 70s, there was the rate of the population.
If two people are getting married at the age of 16 and 18. Yes. If there is a legal reform in the country for education that education must be provided to all, then after marriage they will continue their education.
They are not able to. There are lots of responsibility, yaar. Please
and one more thing, when the child marriage were going on, parental consent was the main thing at that time. So parents were there to support whenever any problems were going on. And with that, the bond that were formed with the parent, the in-laws and the upcoming bride and all these things. And plus
what type of bond you are discussing about? In the early age, they are not able to handle the household activity. She feel mental disorder, mental trauma, and these type of things. She face lots of.
If for a moment I agree that child marriage should be banned. Now if you are talking that child marriage should be banned and the marriages that are going on nowadays are very better.
If child marriage will be decreased, the education, the awareness, they will get the opportunity.
Okay.
See, if the girl child is not adopting the baby,
He will get married for baby.
Exactly, sir. That's what is.
That's the simple thing, sir. That's why the people.
No.